Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can use the live chat feature and how you can reply to open messages. So whenever a user requests for a live chat, you will receive a notification on your BotPenguin platform. The notification will look like this. You can accept or discard the request by clicking on the accept request button or discard request button. For now, I am accepting this chat request. Here you can enter any message and send to the user. So this is how you can reply to the open messages. The live chat has now been started. The user can ask their queries and you can reply to their open messages from here. Now let us see how you can initiate a live chat. On the left hand side, you can see the list of all the chats. You can click on any of the chat and then click on the initiate live chat button. And this is how you can initiate a live chat by your own. You can type any message here and then send it to the user. You can also see the user's profile from the right hand side. You can see their Instagram ID, their name, the Wi-Fi that they're connected to. You can see the phone number if they have provided. You can see their email and the bot that they have been connected to and the bot that they have interacted with. And you can also manage your custom attributes by clicking on this button. If you want to know about the chat section in detail, then the video link of it will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. You can also transfer this chat to any of your agent by clicking on the transfer button. For example, I want to transfer this chat to Rahul. So I'll select Rahul here and the chat has been transferred. You can also download the chat by clicking on the chat transcript button and you can transfer the chat to bot by clicking on this button. You can also call the user by clicking on this button and you can assign the chat any tag by clicking on this button. Similarly, you can assign the status to the tag. So this was how you can reply to open messages and initiate a live chat. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.